So if you follow me on Instagram, Snapchat, Facebook, you might have seen a preview of what's actually been going on with the car while I'm not filming. And I'll show you here shortly what's actually going on and what got built for the car. So one of the things was the exhaust. I no longer have or mufflers. I don't have mufflers for it. We ended up doing dumps right before the axles. Had the intake fabbed up, and it looks beautiful. It's a couple pie cuts facing down. As far as that goes, I mean, it's pretty much it. I'll show you pictures here shortly. If you could only guess what I'm doing right about now. A little tricky doing this with one hand. Well, I just loaded up those wheels and tires for nothing. Heading over to the shop, of course, like I always do when I'm filming something for you guys. And loaded up those wheels and tires because I wanted to have some fresh meats on them, because the ones that are on the car right now are a little dry rot. But of course, Trevor fucking texted me saying the car was already on the dyno and strapped. So let's pray to God the fucking tires are not as bad as I think they are, and that they don't blow up. Yep, that just happened. As seen on Street Outlaws. guys, so unfortunately we couldn't finish up the car tonight. On the bright side, everything else shows to be 100% fine, except for the fact that the headers were glowing red. So to keep things from catching on fire, we just called it a night, and we're gonna leave it till tomorrow. Matt's gonna leave it on the dyno, run it for a little bit, figure out what the issue is, whether it's just the header being too thin because I bought cheap headers, or there's a timing issue, or whatever it is. He's gonna figure that out. All right, guys, so last time we had a couple things going on with the Corvette. I guess the headers were too thin, they were glowing red, everything indicated that the tune was coming out right. We couldn't finish tuning, so we had to leave it and order some stuff to wrap the headers. So got that done, figured out the issue with the starting. For some reason the car was not starting every time it ran hot. It had to sit for like 30 minutes. Always stay hydrated. It is very, very important.
Celebrity time.